Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about table angle. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to compute the included table angle T in this figure in here. So now I will show you how to answer the question. First, we need to draw two lines going here and this one going here until this central line meet three lines in here. So after we create in this way, we can see that there is about one right triangle in here. So if we look carefully, if we want to find about the table angle, we need to find this angle in here. So I will put this one is about alpha. So we need to find the height of this right angle. This one we can find in here. So that's about, we use about 50 divided by 2 because this height is about the center of this line. So we can find this one in here. Just use about 50 divided by 2. So we have 25 meters. Similar for this one, 20 meters in here. We have another right angle. That's it in here. So this line here, that is about 20 divided by 2. And we have 10 meters in here. Now I will put this one is about S. So now we can use about the ratio of right triangle or right triangle. So we will have about S over 10 equals to S plus 60 over 25. Now we need to find S in here. So we have 25 go to S. Number 10 go to S. And 60 we have 600. And now we put this one go to the left. So we have 25S minus 10S equal to 15S. Later that, we divide both sides by number 15. So this one, we have 40 meters. So this one we have 40 in here. And now we want to find alpha in here. You can use the red angle or the small angle in here. They have the same value. So I will use about the small one in here. So we know that S equal to 40 meters in here. And the green line is about 10. So the angle in the small right triangle in here, that should be about tan alpha equals to opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite in this situation we have 10. Adjacent we have 40 in here. So this one we have 1 over 4. So alpha in here equal to arctan of 1 over 4. So this one we have 14 degrees. Now they want to find this angle in here. So this angle on the in this one they have the same because this right triangle is similar this right triangle in here. So we just use about the angle T equal to 2 multiplied by alpha, and we have 2 multiplied by 14 degrees, and we have 28 degrees. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.